Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change an IKEA delivery. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in IKEA.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to IKEA if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the shopping, favorite products, gift registry, and your account. As well as in the top, we have the search bar. And in the top right corner, everything about your profile in one place. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change an IKEA delivery. So guys, unfortunately, you cannot change the delivery types once you have placed the order. The thing that you can do is change the delivery, but date can be changed during the prepping process. So basically, guys, you cannot at the moment change the delivery type, but only the date. Of course, when and if they add this option, don't think we won't be making a video on this topic. We will, of course, make an update video to update you with the top of this, of course, topic and how you can actually go and change the type of delivery if that, of course, ever happens. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.